from Balloonutopia and Market with Balloons. And today my special assistant, Katie from Beltway Balloons in the DC area, is joining me to help out. And we are going to make a dream catcher. This one is really fun. I had a client ask me for this and I had never done one before, so I had to come up with something. So we start with a hula hoop that you can just get anywhere, commercially available. And this hula hoop, since it's a rather small one, we've inflated our balloons to about 3 inches. We took 5-inch balloons and inflated them to 3 inches and put them into quads, which is 2 sets of duplets wrapped together, twisted together. And now we are going to wrap this entire hula hoop with these quads of balloons. With these quads. And for no reason whatsoever, I'm just doing it in robin's egg. Okay, so you're just going to basically go through it, wrapping those on just the same way that you would for a tower or pole. You're just putting them on until there's nowhere else to put them on the hoop. Okay, so we just got a couple more clusters to add, and then we will have a big giant circle. Yeah, I think that'll do it. All right, so now we have a pretty cool little picture frame kind of thing. So what we're going to do is we have here, it's an embroidery hoop. And as you can see, I've tied a bunch of 260s around it. So just so you can see how I do that, basically I thread the 260 through the embroidery hoop and then tie it. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're just going to hook it onto a couple of balloons. Just like so. And now we want to get one kind of from the center here. Yeah, oh, thank you. Let's see. And it's not an exact science how many you're going to put on this. I mean, that's kind of what makes the whole webbing effect. So we're going to take one from the bottom now and hook it on. And now we're going to take one kind of from, I mean, you could actually kind of like move these around each other so it's not that critical that you get it from the center. And we're going to, excuse me. And you want to try to do it to connect it so that the part that's tied gets hidden into the balloons, like that. And so now on this side too, and since these are all the same size, they all have the same tension, and so that's what's going to keep the hoop more or less in the center of it. Okay, so then you just kind of keep coming around and doing it until all of them are used up. And you can kind of pull them through each other if you find like, oh, whoops, I have a blank spot right there, and that's where this guy needs to go. So, hey. Just like so. Okay, so now this kind of gives us, I want one more right there. It just needs one right there. So we'll just tie that one. All right, so right now we kind of have this starburst or tire effect, and I want to get a little bit more of a dreamcatcher effect. So I also have some. Here, if you wouldn't mind holding this just for 1 second. There we go. Okay, I also have some 260s that I've just tied into a loop all by itself, and all I'm going to do is just come and, let's see, and I'm just going to, kind of like across the top, wrap it around a couple of balloons here, and then just stretch it to a couple of balloons here. And I'm going to do this across the top. Let's see, there we go. Like that. Okay, I'm going to do it across the top and across all the 4 sides. obviously, the stronger your hula hoop, the easier it is. The weak hula hoops, like this one's probably not the world's best hula hoop, will tend to collapse in a little bit more. Okay. This is one of those ones that you need to be in front of it. It's very difficult to do it from behind. All right, so here we go. We have our basic dream catcher. Now, you can add different things to it to make it more interesting. Like you could tie some ribbon coming down and use feathers, just like real dream catchers. Or you could use a tulle or organza and have that coming down. Here, we'll put it. Here we go. Put it over here. And have that coming down so that it has that dream catcher effect. Or if you're really ambitious, you could make mini ones and have them hanging down. So this is your base dream catcher, and then there's a lot that you can do with it. Just like you'll see in the pictures. So, there you go. Strike a pose. Isn't she cute? There we go. Yeah, that's right. You're Vanna right.
So makes it fantastic.
So wrong side. Okay, and if you like this, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you click the like button. Make sure that you leave a comment and tell me what else you want to see. I'm making a video every single week. I want to know. What do you guys want to learn? And I will add it to my shooting list. And I just love that. And yeah, so there you go, the dream catcher. I'll see you guys next week. Oh, and don't forget to go to Amazon and pick up a copy of one of my best-selling books, The DIY Balloon Bible for All Seasons, The DIY Balloon Birthday Bible, The DIY Balloon Hat Bible, etc., etc., etc.